Hello everyone, this is Vita. Welcome to watching Yihui Casting live show.
Hi, our dear fans and friends. This is Vivian. Glad to see you here again.
In the last live show, my colleague Jenny has shown you Pro Wax Injection machine, which is with intelligent touch panel and amazing design. It is very popular with our regular customers, and the many jewelry factory think someone has watching it before.
Yes, but today we will focus on our new wax injector. We call it IW6 Wax Injection. Some goldsmiths may be used to operation traditional wax injector, but IW6 Wax Injector is different from the traditional types. This one is IW6 Wax Injector, and we could see we made the controls on these machines, so the total size is smaller than the traditional type, and it could save space, and also we not need more wire to connect the controls. In addition, I would like to mention the circuit boards of this machine. All the system circuits are integrated in one board, so if there is any problem, we only need to replace the circuit boards. So our abroad customers don't worry about the after-sales problems.
It looks wonderful, and I would like to take this time to show you the basic information of this machine. Now we can see the power supply of this machine is from 200 to 240 volts, one phase. And we can make this machine with 50 Hz and 60 Hz. And the power output of this machine is 500 watts. And the melting chamber temperature range is from 0 to 85 degrees. And the temperature accuracy is within the 0.1 degree. The vacuum tide range and the injecting tide range are both from 0 to 20 seconds. The parameters storage is 10 grooves, 1 key operation, and the melting pressure is within the 200 kilopascal. And the standard clamp size is 135 by 105 by 45 millimeter. We also had the big clamp size, 135 by 135 by 60 millimeter. The forward pressure and the compressed pressure are both within the 200 and the 55 kilopascal. This machine is equipped with manual lifting clamp. We can turn this key to adjust the clamp up and down. Now we can see the temp and the tide buttons on this machine. We could press them to choose the setting, the tide, and the temperature. And there are two broad buttons on this machine. They are made of aluminum, and we could adjust the temperature and the time. Now let us see the temperature is now 73.7 degrees, and we could adjust this button to adjust the temperature to 74 degrees. At this time, we could press this tide button or press this black button to set the time. Let us set the time is 2 seconds. For the right button, it is for setting the temperature on nozzle and the injection time. Let us set the temperature is 77 degrees. And the time is 5 seconds. And the two display screens are both with countdown function. When it's working, we could see the accurate cutting time on the two screens. And this machine is with auto injection and controlled by this red button. Because the clamp is with sensor inside, and the acrylic plate is with manner on it. When we use this acrylic plate close to the clamp, the sensor could induce it to make an auto injection. If you don't want to make auto injection, you can press start button to make the manual injection.
It looks so amazing. In this machine, it is processed with 10 programs. And we could see the button number is from 0 to 9, and the programs we could set on any one number. And normally we only set the pressure ones and the crank pressure and forward pressure. If the rubber mouth is big, then we need to inject twice and set the pressure tube and the time for the pressure tube. Now I will show you the setting of the pressure. For example, we use this rubber mouth to set the first programs. And we set the first programs on the one number. First, we press one number, and then we press start. To set the pressure ones is 50. And then we press enter to save it. Now we set the current pressure and set it is 120. And then we press enter to save it. Now we set the forward pressure is 110. And then we press enter to save it. Now the first program was finished. Then we press start to finish the setting. Now we put the rubber mold on the acrylic plates. Through the mirror, we could see the rubber mold align the nozzle. Then we press the red button to make automatic injection. Now we could see the time is coming down. Now we take out the rubber mold and put it on the rubber cooling machine to make it fast cooling. Now we use another rubber mold to set the second one. We set the second program on the two numbers. And the setting itself is the same as before. Firstly, we press two numbers and then we press start. To set the pressure ones is 95. And then we press enter to save it. Then we set the compressed pressure is 110. And then we press enter to save it. Now we set the forward pressure is 120. Then we press enter to save it. Now we adjust the injection time in 3 seconds. Now all the parameters was set. Then we press start to finish the setting. Then we put the acrylic plate on the crank. As we know, we just set the first program on the one number. Now we want to revise the first program. Now we use another rubber mold to set the to reset the first programs, and the reset the operations is the same as before. Now we reset the first program. Firstly, we press one number, and then we press start. To set the pressure ones is 60. Then we press enter to save it. Now we set the compressed pressure is 120. and then we press enter to save it. And for water is 100 and hence. Then we press enter again. Now we set the injection time is 2 seconds. And then we put the rubber mold on the print. But this time I would like to use the manual function. So we need to press the red button again to cancel the automatic injection. Through the minutes, we need to adjust the print to align the nozzle. Then we press start to start the injection. Now we have finished the injections. Let's see the rubber molds. Let's see the injection effective. The wax molding is very smooth, and the wax molding is fine. That's it.
It looks very easy to operate, and the injection results look so amazing. Do you think this machine could inject very fine hole?
Of course, even 0.3 millimeter holes can be injected as well. Let's see the second rubber mold, then you will know.
Yeah.
The accuracy is very higher.
And this one.
Now we could see the wax molding has more holes, and the holes is very small, even smaller than 0.3 millimeter. That's it.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, and we also could see this one. It looks very nice, right? And now I still have any more questions about this machine. Could I know the capacity of this machine?
It can accommodate 3 kilograms worth, and our other wax injections are normally with 3 kilograms capacity.
Okay. If there's any consumable parts for this machine?
It hasn't consumable parts. And also its warranty is 1 year for whole machines. In order to reduce the shipping cost, we also made the standard packages to reduce the cost.
Thank you so much for your answer, and our live show is ending soon. If our fans still have any questions for this machine, you could leave your message here, and our salesman will reply you online. In the next live show, we will show you our factory in Guangzhou.
Yes. Then thank you for your time and attention. Welcome to join in our next live shows. See you next time.
See you.